Alrighty, so today we're going to be going over Google Forms today. So to find Google Forms, you can click on the Google Apps waffle up at the top and go down to the purple icon called Forms. Click on that, and it will take you to this site. You will see some of my Google Forms that I have created. You're going to go ahead and click on blank to create a new one. You would see they also had a few blank templates to use, but if you just want to create one on your own, you can. One really great thing about Google Forms is this is a great assessment tool or survey tool that you can use in your classroom. You can use it with students, you can use it for parents, you can even use it for staff if you're trying to collect information with your coworkers. So, for your forms, you can change the title of your form here. You can also add a description to your form. So, if you're doing an exit ticket for the day, exit ticket, and then maybe this is for math class. There. And then the title changed up here so you know it's there. You can also change the color of the form if you really want to get fancy. I really like teal color. Here is where you can add questions and change the questions. There's different types of questions to use, which is really nice for the things we are working on. There's short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, linear scale, which this is more for your surveys. Um, there's times and dates, which are, again, those are more for your survey type questions. If you're doing an exit ticket, you're probably going to need multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph. So if you select multiple choice, and if I'm doing a simple, what's 9 times 9? Whoops, 9. I could do short answer, so they would have to type in the answer. And I'm also going to make sure I check required. So if I don't put required, students can just skip through and not do it. But if I click required, they can't submit it without adding, adding an answer choice. Let's add another question. We can also do multiple choice. So I could say, you know, what shape is this? And here I can add a picture by doing a Google image search. So let's say I want to look up a square. Here's this. I can insert this square into my question, and I can literally ask what shape is this, and then now I can put different options: square, triangle, and circle. So I thought that was really cool is that you can upload pictures from the internet, or you can actually upload your own screenshots of test questions, maybe from your own curriculum that you might need to add. There's also an opportunity to add video. You can add a title and description, which I think is really cool. Import questions, and again, if you want to add another question here, if you need to move questions, like let's say you want to put this question ahead, you can do that. For responses, you can go to the top and click responses. And here, it'll say it's accepting responses, and you'll see that this is where, as students will answer questions, you'll see that it'll accept responses. If I click on settings, anyone who takes this, I'm collecting their email. So my students who take this, I will automatically collect the email they use so I can see our students in our district who use it. The students in our district, everybody has an email with their graduation number, first letter of their last name, or first letter of their first name, and the first 5 letters of their last name. So for example, for me, it would be 30 N Garza. That'd be the year of my graduation if I was in third grade or fourth grade this upcoming school year. First letter of my last name and the first five of, or first letter of my first name and the first 5 letters of my last name. Um, I can restrict it to only people in my district. And this is great if you are doing tests, you can limit it to one response. So they can only take it once and, they can't change it. This is also, again, they can't edit their response. So make sure not to check this. You can also make sure you can make this a quiz. So if I turn that on, it will be locked on Chromebooks. Our school is very fortunate to have Chromebooks. So we can turn it on and lock it. And we can also release the grade so students can see their grade immediately and get immediate feedback to let them know what they missed, what was the correct answer, and the points they got. Here, I forgot to show you this. We can also change the point value. So if I go to the answer key, I would select the correct answer choice, which the correct answer choice is a square for this one. And I would change the point value here. So I can make it 100 points, I can make it 10 points, whatever point value I want it to be worth, I could do that. And again, because this is a 2 question exit ticket, I would probably make this worth 50 points. And then here, answer key, click again. I'm going to write the correct answer. Why did I put, let's see. The correct answer is 81. I'm going to make the point value 50. And all right, and that looks good to me. Now, when I'm ready to send this to my students, now you can send a link, or when you go to your Google Classroom, you can also share this exact form to your Google Classroom. So I think it's really cool that that is a choice also. If you're working with multiple teachers, you can add collaborators. And in fact, when you create your own Google form with me, I would like you to add me. My email's here. Again, if you forgot how to share with me, there's a video on the main homepage of our Google website that shows you how to share stuff with me. But here it is again on how to share it with me. You would type my email in here and Garza at fshisd.org.